Montgomery is located 2 hours from Atlanta, Georgia, about 3 hours from Huntsville, Alabama, 2 hours from Mobile, and about an hour and a half from Birmingham, Alabama.
Out of Montgomery Regional, we fly to 3 or 4 main hubs, which are Dallas, Fort Worth, Charlotte, and Washington Reagan.
We fly 145s and 175s, and 700s and 900s.
We are cross train stations, so we work both inside and outside. So we check in at the ticket counter. Some agents go upstairs and board the flights at the gate. Some go outside, marshaling the aircraft, get in the cargo bin, unload the aircraft, and load it back up, and drop bags off at the carousel. So we do everything.
Because we're in Montgomery, which is a military base, we see a lot of military movement. It's a good thing, but it's also sad because you know they're saying goodbye to their moms, dads, or just family members, and it can be really moving.
In Montgomery, we have Alabama State University, Alabama University of Montgomery, Faulkner. My favorite thing to do for fun here at Montgomery is to visit the museums that are located downtown Montgomery. Historic sites nearby in Selma, which is not too far from here. You can also go downtown, but there are more historic sites about Martin Luther King and Rosa Parks.
We have the Legacy Museum downtown as well, and just a lot of history here.
Well, a lot of people travel for the river walk, for the boat ride on the river, the Harriet, and for shows. We have a lot of comedy shows, a lot of concerts, the Mecca of Alabama. We have a lot of fun characters. So, everybody got their own little personality, and the trick is to learn them all.
It's like a melting pot. It's so many different personalities, so many different people. And so when we all come together, it's really everyone's laughing, but at the end of the day, it's also a family type atmosphere.
We are a family, we work together, we train together.
Safety's first, but at the same time, having fun. There's so much to do in Montgomery. We're building, we're growing. I think everyone should come check us out.